Hi, welcome dear students to first video of chapter 8. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today you will learn how to create relationship between two or more tables. Previous chapter you already learned about how to create database, how to create tables, how to add records, how to edit record, how to delete record. Now, let us discuss how to create relationship between tables. For that, I'm going to create a new database. First of all, click on the blank database. Now, click on the create database. You can change the database name. That is, you can just going to name student student and click over the create button. Now you can see a student data now created. After that, I'm going to create a new table. Click over the design view now and a student, just write down the name. A student, first I'm going to write the name, table 1 to a student. This is the info. Just write down the info table. And first one, the ID, you can just write down the roll number. Data type, you can select the number. Another one is a student name. You can select data type as a text. We have only two fields, roll number and a student name in the first input table. Just save on the save button. Now you can add some values record. We don't need to write down the number or roll number. Student name here, one index of primary cannot contain a null value. So just write down the roll number 1. Yes. Yeah. Why it is asked to enter the roll number? Because I have selected as data type number, and there's no. Just check the data type again. Going to, this is the data set and design view. Now roll number is a primary key. Yes. And going to again enter the roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3, roll number 4. Number 5, that is. And now just save the value. Now again I'm going to create another table. For that, just click over the create button, tables, and this is the ID. You can leave the ID as it is. Another column name, you can just go to the design view. Design view, write down the info, that is the student marks. This ID is the auto number, leave it as it is, and another column is the roll number, and this is the number, another marks of Hindi, going to enter the marks Hindi, just take this as a number, another this, and number, just select as a number data type, this Hindi, select data type as number, and computer, press the save the. Now you are able to create marks table, and one table I already filled the values to the first info table, roll number and student name. I'm going to add the marks of a roll number one. Just use you don't need to ID, it auto increments to the one in the in English. Number two, number enter two, another record, roll number, add roll number four, roll number four, five, because we have added the input table five records in the so now we are able to create two tables. First one info and another is the marks. Now set the relationship between the info and marks. For that, just click over the database tools here. You can see here the relationship. Click on that, and now we have a, add the tables. Tables info. Add this one again. Marks and paste. Click here. Just close the tables. So we have a table info and marks. Roll number is the primary key, the first table, and you can see ID as a primary key in the second. So what is common between the two tables? Roll number is the primary key here. Now going to drag and drop to the here. So roll number and roll number, and create, just create, click over the create. Now, so you can see here the relationship. Simply we are able to set the relationship between one table to another table. Okay. So roll number and roll number is one the table, first table, it is the primary key, and the another table, it is this is the, let's say this is the foreign, right? The first table, going to click over the first table. Now you can see we have a table, and you can see something different here. You can just see the plus sign. And once you click over the plus sign, now you are able to see ID one, you know, and you can able to all the information of the particular student, roll number one, name Aman, and ID. So you can see the one Hindi marks of all the subject which I have entered. Similarly, you can see the roll number two, you know, and all the information of a student two. See, this is simple. You are able to set the relationship between two tables. One is the info table and another is the marks table. So what is the important point when we are going to create relationship between two tables? So see here, created the first table that is the info, and common field in between the info and marks. That is the roll number is the common. First table, you can see when going to find the seat record and see roll number in the first table. First table, this is the primary key, and another table, this is the foreign key. Now we are able to find the record of the particular student. Similarly, you can add more tables. You can set the relationship between the tables, and it's help you to easily find the record if you have more than one table. And does not matter. You just need to set the relationship primary key and foreign key, and is simply able to find the record. See the simple example here. I hope all of you are able to understand how to set the relationship between two tables. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.